This Boom Boom Room. Today I wanted to take you guys on a trip with me and my boys. So today will be a beach day and it's Sunday Funday. So we decided to hit the beach. This is the first, maybe second time we've hit the beach since we moved to Florida. And today it was about 81 degrees. We decided to go to Pass-a-Grille Beach, which is in Saint Petersburg. And must I say, it was a beautiful. It's very family oriented. There's a mix of everyone there. We did also go to the Don Cesar, I guess the patio restaurant they have there, which they have excellent food. And I decided to have a pina colada. Oh yeah, I was on vacation today, honey. Oh yeah. Noah is down here now tearing up something, so he's trying to get in on the action right now. But stick around, guys, and I will show you some quick footage of how fun this beach is, how beautiful it is, how beautiful it was today outside, and just all the little snippets of our Sunday Funday. Noah, come on.